Mga news! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Ringing News. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Gesto. And for today's third episode, mga coffee shops sa Molo. And also, I'm going to feature some of the most iconic and historical landmarks sa Molo and their brief history background. So, tara mga kanos, samahan niyo ako para malagaw ta sa Molo.
The I-Kafe Mansion, or popularly known as the Molo Mansion, was built in the 1920s, located at Locsin Street, Iloilo City. It's a significant and historic house in Molo, facing the town plaza and the Molo Church. The mansion was turned into a heritage museum, not only preserving what's inside, but also on the outside. It also showcases local delicacies, products, and arts made by the Ilonggos. The Mansion Museum also has cultural retail shop, while the facade is made into a public garden plaza. The Molo Mansion opens every Mondays to Saturdays, 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. and on Sundays opens 9 a.m. until 7 p.m. It's a wide parking space inside, good for tours, groups, big gatherings, and etc. 30 ice cream, which is 35 pesos, by Sabor Ilonggo, and also some of their dishes and famous Ilonggo cuisines. St. Anne Parish Church, commonly known as the Molo Church. The church was built in 1881 under Fray Pablo Montaño and was completed in 1888 by Fray Agapito under the supervision of Don Jose Manuel Locsin. The church is made of white coral rock and considered one of the most attractive churches in the Philippines. The Gothic design is evident on the two pointed towers of the church, as well as its interior elements such as altars and the pulpits. The altars are made of wood. The walls are adorned with beautiful murals painted by Mariano Abunay and Jesus Huervas, and standing on a pedestal attached to a pillar under a Gothic-style mini roof are female saints. It earned the moniker Women's Church because of the 16 images of women saints found inside. It is said that Pid-als wrote an entry about Molo in his diary, saying, "We went to Molo to see the church painted by a lad who was left in the locality. The church is pretty outside with paintings inside, mostly copies of biblical scenes by Juste Dore." Pid-als, since 1957, located at Lopez Jaena Street, Molo, beside Longway. This is an old-timer coffee shop that serves bok choy and native coffee. Bok choy, 60 pesos. Super size. Namit. For 60 pesos, grande size. Iced coffee. It has a well-balanced milk, sugar, ice, and native coffee extract. This is a perfect 10 out of 10 for me. Their native coffee. This is the best native coffee I've tasted. Café et al. Located at Marcelo H. Del Pilar Street and also located at Plaza Molo near BDO, Ramboys, and Post Office Molo. Famous for its budget-friendly and native coffee shop in Molo. It's a limited space for a parking lot. It's an open-air vibe and you can enjoy the fresh air of the Molo Plaza. It's coffee for 40 pesos. It has a great balance of milk, sugar, and native coffee extract. For me, this is a perfect 10 out of 10 for iced coffee. I-Kafe, located at Mall Caltex gas station, Avanceña Street, corner Lopez, Jaena. It's a limited parking space, and from the outside, it can accommodate 15 to 20 packs. It's good for students, travel goers, call centers, and coffee lovers, and is open 24 hours. And from the inside, it has a limited seating capacity. Wi-Fi for every 100 minimum purchase of I-Kafe Products. They also serve savory products. This is their iced latte for 85 pesos. Large size, mixture of Arabica and Robusta coffee beans. And this is their chicken sandwich for 65 pesos. Was quite disappointed for my chicken sandwich. It was over toast, and for my iced latte, it tastes like more of a iced cappuccino rather than an iced latte. So I would give this drink a rating of 8 out of 10. So those are my top 3 best budget-friendly coffee shops in Molo.
Thank you for watching, mga kanos. If you like this video, please do like and share this video to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell button for my latest updates and latest happenings for Drinking Nos channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Gesto, saying bye!